Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share how to use this video make your YouTube intro thumbnail. So first of all, we just click for the video, then here is a mention about 5 seconds. You can choose whatever the photo you like. So for example, just now I use this one. I just use this photo, set image as my background like this, and you can choose the shape. So just now I use this shape to make this shape maybe scroll up like this. Then you can choose the color you want, and at the same time you can come in here this border style. Then you can corner routing, so I adjust maybe 88. Then I choose this border width, so he will come out is a 4. So if I okay for this one, then come to this angle here to make a little bit scale down. Then I make this becoming maybe center like this. Okay, now you can choose whatever the circle, or maybe okay, I just choose this one, the Canva logo until here. Then make this Canva logo is fixed on this column. I just put end of the corner here like this. So here I can put some for example like bell elements. I choose the bell, so I just choose one of the you like, and then make the size is fixed inside to this column, and then I put the near the corner here just like this, and then I change this color becoming red color like this. So I also can key some text, for example the text, and just put over here. I think this one is good for me. Then okay, because this is white color, so I have to choose some color to matching all this. So I can just key in the text I want. For example, I key some subscribe like this. So currently this outcome is okay for me. So now I can click this the rectangle to maybe 2.5 this area, and then I can right click, sorry about that, 2.5, and then this finger here I can right click, and then can click here split page, or I key in the keyboard the S, also no problem for this. But now it's 2.4 and 2.5, so I just undo and then just select the correct here, and then press S. So 2.5 and 2.5 is what I want. So I just come to page number 2. This is page number 2 now. We can see this purple color. So page number 2 is I click this I did click this Canva logo to okay, so I just remove this one first. I key in this Canva logo until the position like this. So now I delete this belt, and then I put the text back to the correct position, and then I can change this text becoming, I use the capital letter LIKE, like. Then I can put one of the maybe another light logo, like for example light logo to over here. Then I change the color becoming blue like this, So I also can use this type. I click one more time, 3 dot over here, and then click duplicate, and then I just put behind. Click one, this one I put behind. Okay, 1, 2. So this is number 1. Number 2 is, can see this thumb up. Then number 3 is back to the bell. Okay, then this one I make one more. This is page number 2. I click the 3 dot here, duplicate one more page, and then I make this page, click and drag to page number 4. So that means it will look like, now we can take a look. Number 1, number 2, thumb up, number 3, bell again, number 4 is the thumb up. So now I want to do something is like page number 2. Page number 2, I can click this one as my design. Maybe I just put over here, then make this up like this. Maybe the correct position like that. Okay, this is animation. Then I just coming here, page number 3 is a belt. So belt here have a magic recommendation. I just click this one, is a love. Just put over here, then make this one okay, like this. Back to this one, see one more time. Okay, so both of them I put the correct position. So now this page number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this page number 5, I can copy this ball, click this 3 dot, copy the ball. This, sorry, is the Canva logo, and then I right click, paste it over here. It exactly the page before that. So now I just going back to searching this background image, set it back exactly the same location. So now I also use the same thing to split. Maybe I use about 2 seconds, and then I duplicate this page. So this is page number 5, this is page number 6. So page number 6, I can use this ball, adjust to another location, and then I click one more page, duplicate, and then going down like this. I duplicate one more page, put this ball going to the center, and then scale up a bit, and then put it center like this, and copy one more time, duplicate, becoming the last page I want. This ball will going up like this, and then I can make the text over here. So all this animation is very easy. Even you are the Canva free version user, also can achieve it. Share to your friends. Okay, then maybe I put like this, center. This one make maybe more bigger. Okay, the position I want. So here the text we can apply animation. For example, the animation, I just select the writing type of writing over here. Okay, then we also can apply some transaction. So here either one of these, we're going to come to the plus over here. Here is appear the 8 transaction, so we click it, choose match and move better, and then apply between all page is this match and move. Everything will be clicked like this. So here we can add some music. So for example, upload coming to video, I just choose one of my music, and then the reason why we want to use this change match and move is because every pages have the one item is matching with the previous page and the coming up page. So every single click the page have come out one item. Then the item is this item. So every single page is matched with this item. So there can be look like moving double. Okay, this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.